The first product I'm going to talk about is the Alpha SK pack. Don't mind the logo here, it's the name has changed, so it will be Alpha SK. Just a little bit of the history of this piece. You know, I think some of you have been to Vancouver, and it's very wet there, and it's at sea level. So in the winter time, the distance between sea level and the coast mountains, the coast mountains go up to 2,800 meters. It can be very, very wet. So one thing we really like to do is try to keep our gear dry. So if you're going for a tour and transitioning from wet to the snow, we just want to keep our gear dry. So one thing we were doing is a lot of employees and athletes started using the Alpha FL pack for ski touring. The reasoning is because it's very lightweight. It's quite hydrophobic. The material is coated with a very thick urethane, and it's all seam taped, just like a Gore-Tex jacket. So it's very, very weatherproof. And we started modifying them to try to carry skis. We were cutting slots in the side to laminate zippers in just for easier access. We started attaching urethane ski straps to the tie-in points, and really just trying to modify the pack to make it more of a ski pack. So we saw this need that we needed to address that need to have more of a ski-specific pack. So, and again, it's essentially made like a Gore-Tex jacket. So, the inside, it's all trimmed and seam taped. That was really the inspiration in terms of how to construct the Alpha FL originally. In terms of the profile, the Alpha FL is very round. So when you're skiing with it, you had a bit more swing weight. So we wanted a profile that was a little bit closer to the back. Also the back panel, this AC square material can be very slippery on a Gore-Tex jacket or a puffy jacket. So we just wanted to have a little bit more traction and friction on the back. So we have a different textile on the back, as well as a bit of cushioning and padding. We really wanted a simple system in terms of how to store your gear. Top lid, we have a partial lid closure. So the nice thing about this is if you want to carry rope, you can carry the rope through it. You can detach these hooks, or just use it more as a quick release. And then you can also store the helmet in the top, which is more of a drawstring compartment. And then your tool compartment is also here in the front. So we wanted to minimize the amount of construction without adding too many zippers and straps and buckles. So you have your tool sleeves in the front, and this is also where you can keep your skins. And then quite a large top compartment for your phone or snacks, and then the zipper access on the side. The other thing we worked on the pack was the attachment point. So we wanted a really just nice, simple, clean form. So if you're not carrying ski straps, you don't need to bring these straps. The pack will come with 2 urethane ski straps like this. So we developed these on our own, and it's a bit of a quick release system. So you just have an opening on the side. So rather than feeding the strap through the hole, you can just do a quick adjustment like that and cinch it. In terms of the carrying configurations, we have lash points on the side as well as on the front, so you can go A-frame style. You can also go diagonal for a quicker transition. And if you have a split board or snowboard, we offer the straps in 50 centimeter and 65 centimeter, so you can run the snowboard up the center with the 65 centimeter straps. Overall, the pack's just under a kilogram, so pretty lightweight. The Alpha FL is definitely lighter, but this is gonna carry skis much better and just more specific for skiing.